Hello students, today we will learn about the word processor software and you will learn it in detail. This chapter is available in your class 9 computer syllabus. So let's start. Here you can see what is word processor. Word processor is a computer application software used to write documents such as article, letter, resume, report, poem and also making for the poster. Means you can create different types of documents which can be a letter, a resume or etc. with the help of these word processor software. Another definition is here you can see an application software which is used to perform tasks like creating, editing, formatting, saving, printing document is known as word processor. If any software is allowing you to create a document or to edit a document or to format a document or to save the document or print document, then that is a word processor application software. Why it is application software? Because it is need to be installed from the outer side to do the specific work. But do not confuse with the word processor and the text editor, because text editor and word processor are linked to each other, but there is a difference between also them. First difference is that text editor allow you to write the text with the limited permission. Means you can only write the text, then you can cut it, copy it and paste it. Only the limited facilities are allowed. But in the word processor you can do the formatting work also. Means you can make it the bold, italic and etc. We will learn it in detail. So let's move to the next topic. Here you can see the important features of the word processor. First one is ease and speed. By this, word processor enable us to type the text in easy and faster way. This is the editing feature. By this, changes in text can be done easily with the help of cut, copy and paste. Here you can see the formatting feature. By this feature, we can decorate our text by changing font size, color and making them bold, etc. Here storage feature is given. By this feature, the document can be saved for future use. Graphics feature. By this, we can add some pictures and change our document look. And this is a printing feature. By this, hard copy of the document can be obtained. So here last one is vocabulary and spell check. So by this we can make our document error free. These are the different types of features, but we will learn it by the practical way. So I will show you some practical content also. Let's see. Here I have opened a Microsoft Word, which is a word processor software. I am going to write something here. I have written here Central Board of Secondary Education. If I want to write this sentence here again, then there is no need to retype it again with the help of keyboard. Only you have to select it and go to here and copy it. This is a copy command. Come here and click on the paste. Now you can see the same sentence is written here also. So if you want to write 10 times, then just click 10 times paste button, then the 10 times data will be pasted. So you can see the speed of the word processor software. Means if you want to write 100 sentences, then in within 2 or 5 seconds, 3 seconds, you can write those 100 sentences. So it is very faster. Okay. Now you can see that there is many commands written in the English word. These commands are written in English word, so it is very easy to use. You can relate to your English language. Now next feature was that editing feature. I have shown you that how to copy it, how to paste it. Just select the sentence, go here and you can see the copy button. Just copy it, then you can paste it here also, here paste button. Another method to copy, just select the entire text, right click on here and then you can see the pop-up menu. Then you have to click here, copy, and then come here, then again right click here. Now you can paste it again. So there are many different ways. First one is by right clicking the mouse button, you can see these commands, cut, copy, paste. Here you can also see the copy, cut and paste, and there is shortcut key also. Here control plus C is used for copy, and control plus V is used for paste, and control plus X is used for cut. So these are the many shortcuts key which can be used for different types of work. Here I have written control plus C, this is for copy, this is control plus V, that it can be used for the paste, and this is control plus X, that can be used for the cut. So there are three methods to edit our document. Now let's come to the formatting feature, because I have told you that there is a formatting feature in a word processing software. Now you can see here Central Board of Secondary Education, just select it. Now I will make it bold. Here you can see B is written. When I will click here, then it will make it bold. Now you can see it becomes some thicker and attractive also. Now select the next line also, make it italic. This is italic button. Now you can see it becomes something like a slant and called as italic. I will select this sentence, then I will make it underline. So there are many ways to represent our data very nicely. I can apply some more formatting feature also. See here, select that particular sentence. Now you can apply the strike through option. Now here select the sentence and you can change the size of it also. Now here you can change the size also. Okay, if you want to make colorful data, then see here, just select the line and you can go to the font color option, just choose any color, red color, then it will look like in red color. So there are many another also commands available. Here you can see the font group also. Just select the sentence, choose your appropriate design of font, then you can see that will be applied on your selected text. So these are the different types of formatting features which are available, which make these word processor software very powerful and very popular also. Now I will apply some more. Here you can see this is a highlighter. If you want to highlight any text or line, then just select it. You can just highlight the data also. Okay, these are very interesting features. And now I will make some bullets and numbering. I will use some bullets and numbering on these selected text. Just select the text, go here. Now here these are the bullets. If you will click here, then this will be attached with the bullets. You can also give the numbering also. Here you can see these are the bullets. Now I will change it in numbering format. Here now you can see the numbers will attach with this. So these are the different types of formatting feature which are given here. You can apply on your document according to your need. So we can say that these software are very powerful. Now if you want to save your document, then you can save it from here. This is a office button. Click here. Now you can see the save button. Just click here. It will ask you to give the name. Here I will give the Central Board of Secondary Education 9. Now I have written this. Now save it. It will. Now I have recently saved it, so it is asking to replace. So just click on the replace. Now you can see your given name is written on the taskbar. So these are the methods to save your data, and I have told you that by saving you can use your document in future also. Before printing your document, you can preview it also. You have to go here and just go to the print option. Now you can see the preview, print preview is given. Just click here. Now you can see your document will look like this after printing it. Means when you will get hard copy after printing, then document will look like this. This type of feature is also known as what you see is what you get. It means what is going to be shown on this screen, that will you get on after printing it. Means this soft copy will get converted in hard copy same as it is shown here. Okay, so let's move to the next topic. Here I have shown you these features one by one. Now I am going to show you examples of word processor. These are the latest examples of the word processor. Like first one is Microsoft Word, OpenOffice, Google Docs, WordPad. Now this MS Word is in our syllabus. We will use 2007 version of the MS Word according to our syllabus, and we will learn it. This is a famous word processor software because it provides you many different types of facilities and commands. Here OpenOffice is written. OpenOffice is one of the also popular word processor software, but it is in free of nature. Means you can download it freely from the internet. There is no need to purchase it. But MS Word you have to purchase it because it is a paid software. Google Docs is generally used in the mobile Android mobile operating system and very popular word processing software. WordPad is also used for word processing. Okay, now let's move to the next topic. I am going to give you the introduction of the MS Word because this is in our syllabus. MS Word is a part of Microsoft Office suite. It means when you will install Microsoft Office, then you will get a Microsoft Word, which is a part of the Microsoft Office suite. There will be Excel, PowerPoint, front page, etc. But this is word processing software. It is most popular and commonly used word processor. Just like any other word processor, you can perform major operation using it. It means when you will install Microsoft Office, you will get Microsoft Word, and with the help of Microsoft Word processing software, you can do these different types of work. First one is creating and saving document. Means you can create and save your document. Let's see how to create a document. Now you can see the Microsoft Word document, which is a word processor. If you want to create a new document, then just go to here, click on the new command. When you will click on the new command, you will get blank document. Click here and just create a new document. Here you can see a new document is opened. Okay, this is a method to open a new document. But when you want to save it, just go to the Office button and just click on the save. Give your appropriate name which is required by you and just save it. Okay, this is a method to save your document, and the given name will be displayed here. Now you can see how to open an existing document. Means with the help of word processor you can open your document also. Now let's see here. Recently I have saved my document with the name of doc2, so I am going to open that document. Just go to here and open. Now doc2, yes, I have saved it. Just double click here, you will get a blank document named doc2 because recently it was saved by me in front of you. Okay, you can open your existing document also. I have discussed with you editing and formatting features and previewing and printing document also. You can preview your document before printing. It will show you as a soft copy, and after printing you will get the hard copy. Now let's discuss the versions of the MS Word. These are the different versions of MS Word listed here. The latest version is Word 2019. Okay, but we will use this Word 2010. Okay, and we will use Word 2007 according to our syllabus. But the first version was Word 1995. We can relate these versions also by saying that the latest version is having more facilities, more powerful in comparison with the previous one. So the latest version are having more facilities. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. How to start MS Word 2007. If you want to open Word 2007, then you have to go to start button. But before going to start button, you have to know that which operating system is in your computer. If you are using Windows 7, then you have to click the start button and go to all programs. Then select the Microsoft Office and then Microsoft Word 2007. Then your screen will be opened like this. Okay? But if you are having Windows 10 in your computer, then you have to click on the start button. Then there will be a list of folders will be displayed, and you have to select the Microsoft Office from those folders. Then click on the Microsoft Word 2007. Then your window will be opened like this. Now see here. Note, the Word application opens a blank document with temporary name document1. Yes, when you will open a blank document, then the document will be named as document1. See here, this is a document. It was in previous time it was written document1, but I saved it with Central Board of Secondary Education 9. Then that name is displayed on the title bar. When you will click a new document, then a new name given to it. Here you can see document3, means in successively all the document will be named in front of you. You have to save it to change these names. Okay, first time if you will open, then document 1 will be displayed, after that document 2, after that document 3, and it will go to in successive number. Okay, here we will learn the component of MS Word window. These are the components of MS Word. Here let's look it. Let's have a look and then I will discuss in the practical. Here you can see this is our office button. This is a quick launch bar or quick access toolbar. Here you can see the title bar, and here you can see the blank area, which is a document window or document area where you will write. This is a ribbon. This rectangular box is a ribbon, and this is a vertical scroll bar. This is a horizontal scroll bar, and this is the status bar. I will show you. Now let's have a look on these word processor software. Now let's see here. This is a window of the word processor. Okay. Now here you can see the office button. This circular box is the office button. You have to click here. You will get some related commands here, like new to open a new document, open for previous document, save to save your document by your giving your name. Okay. Here you can see the quick access toolbar. In quick access toolbar, the most used commands are shown. Means generally people use save and undo and redo buttons for their documents. So these most used commands are displayed here. This is a save button, this is a undo button, this is a redo button. With the help of undo, you can just go to the previous action which has been performed by you, and it will repeat the task. Okay. Now you can see here home, insert, page layout, preferences, mailing, review, view. These are the tabs. In these tabs there are many commands. If you will click on the home, then the many commands will be displayed here in the rectangular box. This box is called as a ribbon. In this ribbon there is a many groups of command. You can see here these are grouped into the clipboard. Here these formatting commands are grouped under the font group, and these are also grouped under the paragraph group, but all are command related to the home. So home is a main tab and all are under it. When you will click on the insert tab, then these related commands will be displayed here, and here you can see the pages group and tables group and many more groups. These all are many groups available under the insert tab. Okay. On here document 3 is written. This is a title bar. This first line is known as title bar. At the right side you can see the minimize button. It will minimize the current window to the taskbar. This is a maximize button. It will restore the window to the current position. And that is a close button. It will close your window. Here you can see the ruler is given. This is a ruler. This is a horizontal ruler. This is a vertical ruler. And these rulers are used to write the data on your document perfectly. Means if you want to set a different margin, then you have to see these rulers. Generally these rulers are based on the inches, but you can change it according to your need in centimeter also. Okay. Here you can see the scroll bar. This is a vertical scroll bar. You can scroll your page from up to bottom. Okay. But here you can see a horizontal scroll bar is also. You can scroll your page from left to right with the help of your mouse. If any content is hidden at the right side and you want to see it, then you can scroll your page from left to right. Just below it there is a status bar. This is a status bar. In status bar there is written page 1 of 1. This page 1 of 1 is showing the current status of our page. Generally I've opened first page, only one page, so you can see written 1. But when I will go to the next page, see here, I am going to next page. This is the page number 1, this is the page number 2. But I'm having 2 pages, so here you can see 2 written. Okay. But I am currently selecting the first page, so you can see the 1 is written. If you will select the second page, then the status will be changed. You can see here 2 of 2, means we are on the second page of total number of 2 pages. Okay. Here you can see word 0, means there is nothing written on this page. If I will write something here, like I have written Central Board of Secondary Education, then it will be counted as a word. Count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 4 just 24. You can see here 24 words are given. This symbol is also counted as a word because it is separated by the space. Okay. Here on the right hand side you can see the different types of views are given. These views is very helpful for viewing our document. Generally you can use your view from view tab also, print layout, full screen reading, and web layout, and many more. These are also available here. Okay. And here on the right hand side you can see the zoom out and zoom in button. If you want to zoom in, then click on the plus button, then you can see your data in enlarged form. Okay. You can see your data in enlarged form here. And if you will zoom out, then it will show you data in a diminished form. Okay. So these are topics available in our syllabus. So we have a simple look on this topic, but we will learn it in detail in the next video. So here we have come to end of our topic, and let's revise student these topics, and we will start our next lecture from the next video. Okay. So thank you everyone.